Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zoom effect in Canva. Creating a dynamic zoom can significantly enhance your designs, adding a professional touch to presentations or social media content. We will explore two main methods, starting with Canva's built-in animation tools. You will learn to adjust settings for a polished, engaging visual experience, making your elements truly stand out with impactful motion and visual interest. First, let's use Canva's intuitive Animate feature. Simply select the element you wish to zoom, then navigate to the Animate tab in your toolbar. Here, you will find various options, including zoom in and zoom out. Experiment with these to see which best fits your vision. You can also fine-tune the speed and direction, ensuring your zoom effect is perfectly tailored to your design's flow and rhythm. For more control, try a manual zoom using scaling. Begin by duplicating your chosen element. On the duplicated version, gradually increase its size, making it appear closer. You can create several duplicates, each slightly larger, to build a smooth, progressive zoom. Utilize the position tool to ensure perfect alignment between your original and scaled elements, achieving a seamless and professional transition. To truly elevate your zoom effects, consider combining them with other motion elements. For instance, a subtle pan or rotation can add an extra layer of dynamism. Applying a slight blur to elements that appear further away can also enhance the illusion of depth and distance. Don't be afraid to experiment with varying speeds and timings. A slow, gradual zoom can build suspense, while a quick one offers immediate impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.